What's the meaning of biobreak? Biobreak. Biobreak.
Biobreak. Biobreak. A biobreak is a term commonly used in workplace settings to refer to a brief pause for personal needs, such as using the restroom or getting a drink of water. The term acknowledges that employees are human beings with bodily functions that need to be attended to throughout the workday. Biobreaks are typically encouraged or even mandated in order to avoid health and safety issues or discomfort among workers. This practice also promotes productivity by allowing employees to take short breaks and return to their tasks re-energized. In summary, a biobreak is a necessary and beneficial aspect of maintaining a healthy and comfortable work environment.